Liliac. Crazy train. Let's get it cracking. Okay, we're at the beach. Pacific Park. Dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. Okay. Dun, 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 dun.
Crazy, but that's how it goes.
That's how it goes.
Living as fools. Maybe it's not too late to love and forget how to hate. A mental wound's not healing. Lots of bitter shame. I'm going off the rails on a crazy train.
Let's go.
I'm going off the rails on a crazy train. Let's go.
Dude, that's so cool. So they're just rocking on a pier at Pacific Park. That's what it was called, right? That's lit.
Let's go. I've listened to preachers. I've listened to fools. I wait till they drop out to make their moves. I'm pushing addiction to rule and control. The media sells it, and you live it wrong.
Dang, so this was a long time ago.
Driving me insane. I'm going off the rails on a crazy train. I'm going off the rails on a crazy train. I know that things are going wrong for me.
Little ploppers!
You gotta listen to my words. Yeah.
Let's go. Hey, they're killing it, man.
Hands on the core, that's what we become. In every troubles, I'm mentally numb.
Let's go.
Crazy, I just cannot bear. I'm living with something that just isn't fair. A mental wound's not healing. Who wants to blame? I'm going off the rails on a crazy train.
Let's go.
I'm going off the rails on a crazy
Lawson. Fire. Fire. I would say that they went off the rails of the crazy train. All right. Let's see what chat has to say about it. This song rocks, says Cindy. Let's go, says Clinton. I used to hang at Pacific Coast Park as a teen, says Allie. Okay. Rockin' to the Beach Boys. Nice, nice. Scroggy, rockin' on. Brian, rockin' on, but in a country way. Children have fun too, says Smoggy. Scroggy says, this was my introduction to Liliac. Okay. Cindy's got some crazy train emojis with a fire emoji. Scroggy says, this is the pier that they would busk at. Okay. Until they got kicked off for drawing too big of crowds. Wow. Let's see. Clinton says 11 to 19, I think. Maybe 10 for Justin. Scrape the guitar, says Smoggy. I wonder what her speaking voice is. Brian says, this rocks. Cindy says, they sound awesome. Miss Robinson, hello. Woo, come in on some crazy train. That's right. Killed it. Hair goals, says Rachel. Great cover, says Anessa. And that's it on the comments. Another great cover by Liliac. But I'm out of here. On to the next videos. Hey, if you're new, consider subscribing. It's free. Show Liliac some love. Their channel link's in the description below. And be a light to others around you. All right? Thank you. God bless. Brandon out.